Most AC service centers do not lose customers because technicians are lazy. They lose data because every job is split between WhatsApp, Excel, paper job cards, and billing software. One customer calls on WhatsApp, another comes from Google, one job is written in a notebook, and the invoice is made later in a separate tool. By evening, the owner wants one simple answer: which jobs are pending, which technician visited, which payment came, and which customer needs follow-up. If that answer needs 5 calls and 3 files, the business has outgrown manual coordination. This is exactly where KaryaFlow helps AC and HVAC service businesses move from scattered updates to one customer-to-job workflow. First, understand the 2 common workflows. An authorized service center may import jobs from an OEM CRM, dealer portal, or brand complaint sheet. An independent service center may receive leads from Google Business, Just Dial, IndiaMart, referrals, old customers, and direct WhatsApp messages. KaryaFlow can handle both because the important thing is not where the request came from. The important thing is turning it into a clear service job. A coordinator can create the job with customer name, phone number, address, AC type, complaint, source, priority, preferred visit time, and branch. For imported jobs, the office can keep the OEM ticket number or outside reference inside the same KaryaFlow job record. For new leads, the same screen becomes the first customer record, so future complaints do not start from zero again. Next comes assignment. The owner or dispatcher can assign the nearest or most suitable technician based on area, skill, availability, and job type. The technician receives the job on mobile with customer details, location, complaint notes, previous service history, and the checklist expected for that visit. This technician mobile job card matters because fieldwork fails when the technician reaches site with only a short WhatsApp message. For AC repair, the technician may need to record inspection notes, before and after photos, gas quantity, parts used, defective parts, customer signature, and service remarks. For installation jobs, the checklist may include indoor unit photos, outdoor unit photos, pipe length, drainage, electrical checks, vacuuming, and customer handover. For commercial HVAC AMC, the visit may require preventive maintenance tasks, filter status, coil cleaning notes, pressure readings, photos, and next visit reminders. Every update changes the job status, so the office can see new, assigned, on the way, in progress, completed, canceled, revisit, or payment pending jobs. Location tracking and job timestamps also help the owner understand whether the technician is en route, at the site, delayed, or handling another call. Now look at payments. AC service centers often collect cash, UPI, split payment, advance, balance later, warranty closure, or company billing. When payment status stays inside the job, the office can separate collected cash, UPI screenshots, pending balances, technician-held cash, and invoice-ready jobs. This also helps with technician expenses and incentives because visits, collections, parts, fuel, and completed jobs are connected to the technician record. Parts and gas usage is another major leakage area. A capacitor, PCB, contactor, sensor, fan motor, or refrigerant charge should not disappear into memory. In KaryaFlow, parts and gas usage can be linked to the job, the technician, the customer, and the final billing handoff. That gives the owner a cleaner view of stock movement, technician custody, unused returns, defective parts, refrigerant usage, and job profitability. Customer history is the next advantage. When a repeat complaint comes, the office can see earlier jobs, technicians, photos, notes, payments, and parts replaced. Instead of asking the customer to explain everything again, the team can respond with context and sound more professional. AMC renewal is where many AC businesses lose repeat revenue. The contract exists in Excel, the visit schedule is in a diary, and the renewal reminder depends on memory. KaryaFlow keeps AMC records, service visits, expiry dates, customer history, and follow-up reminders closer to the actual job workflow. That means the same system can support reactive complaints, installation work, warranty jobs, preventive maintenance, and renewal follow-up. For billing, the goal is not to replace every accounting decision. The goal is to make sure service proof, parts, payment, and closure data are ready for GST-ready reports. Owners can export reports for jobs, payments, technician collections, expenses, parts usage, AMC renewals, pending invoices, and branch performance. The dashboard becomes useful because it is based on field updates, not after-the-fact typing by someone in the office. So when should an AC service center move from WhatsApp and Excel to KaryaFlow? If you manage multiple technicians, repeat customers, AMC contracts, part stock, payment follow-up, or GST billing handoff, manual tools will keep creating blind spots. If every job needs calls to confirm status, proof, payment, parts, and invoice details, the cost is already showing up in delayed billing and customer confusion. KaryaFlow gives AC service centers one place to track customers, technicians, payments, AMC, inventory, invoices, reports, and follow-up. To see the HVAC workflow, visit KaryaFlow in/4/HVAC or book a demo and map it to your own AC service process.